Welcome to learning JMeter step by step. My name is Rahul and today is a D3. Today we will learn about JMeter script backup and the configuration regarding the same. So how to change, how much time we save. We can increase the site number of times it can save. Location we can change. By default, location is named as backup, which will be site into the bin folder. And apart from that, we will launching modes. How many times? So first start with JMeter script backup. So what we have to do, we have to open the JMeter properties to override the default values. If you don't change any values, it will save automatically into your uh, backup folder / backup folder inside. And by default, this folder is not available. Whenever you are creating first time JMeter script, it will be auto generated by the JMeter. So let's switch to the terminal and see. Let me clear my screen. Okay, let's have an LTR. So give me a second. We are on. We need to go one step back. Okay, here you can see we have there is a no backup folder will be mentioned here, but when we launch and we will create, by default it will be created. But to change the default properties, we need to go inside the bin and search for dot properties file. In this property we have to change. I already opened this properties file on my editor, and we need to search for the JMX backup configuration. Here you can overwrite the by default values, the directories, time. By default it is saving 10 backups, but you can change the number of backups from here and automatically before run true, and this type of configuration you can change. And this is uh, it can be done, and so it's a very easy thing. Second, our topic is launching mode. So JMeter by default, whenever we are creating, we are using in GUI mode and GUI mode, and whenever we are executing it, we have to use non-GUI mode. Reason being, it is utilizing lot of memory, so it will impact the performance of the machine from where you are running this thing. And third mode is again a server mode. We have a two option, GUI mode or non-GUI mode also there, but it will be always will prefer to execute on a command line. So how to use GUI mode? If you are in Windows, go to the command prompt and navigate to their built-in bin folder and type jmeter.batch file. It will start executing. And if you are in a Linux or Mac, go to the folder. So let me show you. So right now I'm in my build folder already. So here I have to write jmeter.sh to launch JMeter. It will automatically launch the JMeter session. You can see on my JMeter get launched. So it's pretty easy. When you are not in GUI mode, you are done with the creation of your JMX creation of script. Now you want to execute. So for the Windows machine, you have to write a command jmeter-n-t. The T is for the script name, L for saving the log path or JTL file. Similarly, for the Unix, and while you are in UI mode, there is an option to stop the execution. But in non-GUI mode, even though you press the Control C to kill the running, but it will not stop. So whenever you are starting the script, you can also provide the port, and while to stop in non-GUI mode, just write the command stop test. If you are providing the port while launching, use the same port, else stop test will work. And third is the server mode, which we call the master as slave or distributed system. So they to work on that, we need to configuration lot. So in past session, I will show you in future. Sorry, I will show you how to create this configuration, but just only for the screenshot purposes. You can see remote started on these machines. You can select, the execution will be started there. And in if you want to use, in I always said it will be good to use non-GUI mode, because it will not JMeter will not use your Java dependency and not consuming your system memory. So you have to use this. So these are the commands, and this is an example I should added here. So that's it from today. Thank you.